Hello chess lovers, Suren here with another fantastic chess puzzle for you. This puzzle was composed by Soviet chess composer Vladimir Korolkov. White to move and win the game. You can pause the video and try to find a solution. Ready? Well, as you can see, white has powerful passed pawns on the 7th rank, but going for a pawn promotion is losing on the spot. For example, just a random move, if you promote your d pawn to a queen, then black can promote his pawn to a knight, can announce a check, and after king a1 can checkmate white king. That's why instead of going for a pawn promotion, white should choose a forced line in order to avoid getting checkmated. White is first playing knight f4 check, king h6. Of course, black king will never step on this h4 d8 diagonal, because in this case white can promote his pawn to a queen with a check, and then this is going to be an easy win. After knight f4 check, black is playing king h6. And now a question arises, how is white going to proceed with the attack? Again, we should make a move and announce a check. And let's have a look what is Suren holding in his hands. Ah, another white knight. Then let's go to another promotion and promote the pawn to a knight. g8 knight, king h7, knight f6 check, king h6. Well, if king h8, then knight takes g6, and this is a checkmate. That's why after knight f6 check we have king h6. Now comes knight takes g4 check, king h7, and this time the e knight is joining the attack. Knight ef6 check, king g7, knight e6 check. Look at this, guys. White is simply horsing around, but still there are more interesting things to see. King f7, and this time white is promoting the d pawn to a knight, d8 knight. King e7, after which white is promoting his c pawn to a knight, c8 knight, and we have a checkmate on the board. Look at this, guys. It's hard to believe, but this is a checkmate. These 5 knights cooperating together are managing to kill the enemy king. Look at this. Just a fantastic puzzle, I think. Note that black king deliberately chose a kind of self-made because could not allow himself to step on this h4 d8 diagonal and allow white pawn to be promoted to a queen with a check, whilst white for his part could not go for a queen promotion because in that case black could go for a knight promotion and could announce a checkmate. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this brilliant chess puzzle. Consider sharing it with your friends and letting them know about this madness. And for more puzzles, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Good luck. Good luck. Or in this case, it will be better to say good night. Yes, good night.